Hello everybody, it's Tom from PBR TV. Hope you're all well and safe. The PBR team are obviously, like everybody else, working remotely from home, but that's not stopping us from posting daily content up to keep boating alive. Last week we put up the video of the Brig 10 meter powered by two 350 duoprop Suzukis. This was the first boat at its time that was rigged in this nature, and the week before that the Iguana, the amphibious boat. This week is something slightly different. We are putting footage up from Frank of Safehaven Marine. He's kindly given us some footage of them testing Thunderchild II, his new 23 meter interceptor craft. But it's powered by quad 650 horsepower Caterpillar diesels on surface drives, giving this boat a whopping 54 knot top speed. Storm Brendan, when it was hammering Cork Harbour, was throwing 60 to 70 knot winds. Now, this is kind of the conditions that most of us would want to stay at home in. However, Frank, having complete faith in his team and his craft, viewed this as a perfect opportunity to go out and do some testing. So you can see that these boats are very, very well made and built for the purpose in hand. I hope you enjoy this footage. As I say, it's not from us. It is provided by Frank and his team, but we just had to share it with you. And we hope that this will help keep boating alive for you today as we continue to post more content.
We actually couldn't get away from the marina earlier. The wind was blowing just so hard, it must have been 60, 70 knots, so we were actually pinned on the marina for a good while. Eventually it died down and we managed to get out.